In Manipur, the coronavirus death count has reached 5 after one more patient died at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jenims, Imphal today. The 38-year-old deceased, Mohammad Sajjad Ahmed Khan from Lilong Kuno of Thawal district, died at 4:30 a.m., an official statement said. It said the COVID-19 patient died of cardiopulmonary failure and other ailments. Now the number of active cases in Manipur has touched 829, while 1,672 individuals have recovered. In all, 19 persons were discharged from different COVID care centers across the state in the past 24 hours. India today overtook Italy's coronavirus death toll to claim the 5th spot in terms of the number of fatalities due to the infection, according to Johns Hopkins University. According to the latest coronavirus single-day data shared by the Health Ministry of India, in the past 24 hours has reported 779 deaths, taking the death toll in the country to 35,747. As per media reports, the country registered its biggest single-day spike of over 55,000 cases, which has taken the country's COVID-19 caseload to 16,38,870 this morning. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio has quarantined himself at his home after a few staffers of his residential complex have tested positive for coronavirus, a media report said. Few persons in the Chief Minister's residential complex have tested positive for COVID-19. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, along with top police, military and civil officials today paid homage to the 3 Jawans of 4 Assam Rifles who laid down their lives during an insurgent attack on July 29 last in Sajik, Khongtal area under Chakpikarong Police Station of Chandel District. Director General of Police L.M. Khaute also attended the wreath-laying ceremony in honor of the slain Jawans held at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport. Manipur Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah, Chief Minister N. Biren, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit and other leaders today extended warm greetings and good wishes to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim veteran, on the auspicious occasion of Idul Juha. Health Minister L. Jentakumar Singh today inaugurated a Maira Sangkam Community Hall at Haubamarak Ngangom Lekai in Imphal West by maintaining government let-down protocols and social distancing guidelines. He also gave awareness about do's and don'ts of COVID-19 to the participants during the program. Ahead of Idul Adha Festival, Maipak Ningthau Committee Manipur co-convener S.K. Wajid Saha has extended greetings to the Muslim community and Meitei Pangal veteran in the state. In his greetings, S.K. Wajid Saha said that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the festival will not be able to celebrate with pomp and gaiety together with all ethnic groups in the state. Tripura yesterday reported 219 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, taking the state's tally to 4,722 so far. According to reports, the active cases stands at 1,721 with 2,962 recovered cases and 21 deaths. Of the total 7,224 samples tested, a total of 219 tested positive for the virus.